Hi, this is Louis from SecurPlus. Today I'll be showing you how to change the Wi-Fi on your Honeywell Pro Series if you've recently changed internet service providers. So let's start. So first, you'll go to the horizontal lines right here down the middle. And then you'll scroll down to Settings, Wi-Fi. And then you'll enter your master code. Right here, you'll see the Wi-Fi that you're currently connected to. So just press on that. And then you can forget the network. Once that's done, it should bring you back to the list of Wi-Fis, and you could choose your new Wi-Fi. Enter your password right here. Press save and connect. There you go. It should say connected. And now you can go back to the home screen. I hope this short video helped you change your Wi-Fi password on your Honeywell Pro Series. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach us at www.securplus.com and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram for updates on all our alarm systems, all our services, and obviously YouTube for many more tutorials such as this. Have a nice day.